Hey everyone, Ramdy here, and today we're going to go over one of my favorite features in Descript, which is eye contact. Because this feature uses AI magic that I don't really understand to digitally manipulate your eyes and make it seem like you're looking straight at the camera. So now, no matter where you were looking initially during filming, doesn't really matter because all your audience sees is you making eye contact with them and keeping that oh so intimate connection. Now you don't have to worry about memorizing a script or buying a really expensive, complicated teleprompter. You can just put your script off to the side and read it. And if you don't believe me, I've been using this effect the entire time. I know, crazy. So let's get an how to use it. So I got my Descript project opened up here, and you can either record a take straight into the project or just import footage like I'm gonna do. Perfect. So now comes the fun part, baby. Because all you gotta do is open up Underlord, click eye contact, and as you can see, it applies instantly. And that's it. Your job is done. Good work. But real quickly, let's go over some things you should know before using it. One, if you're gonna be reading off of a script or looking at notes or slides, make sure to have them as close as possible to the lens, because the closer to the lens that you're looking, the better the effect will turn out. And two, please note that this effect only works on one person at a time. So if you have footage with 2 or more people in it, it won't be applied to everybody. So now let's do a little before and after, shall we? I mean, look at that. How beautiful is that? Perfect. And if you feel like there's a little too much eye contact going on, or you just don't like the way the effect looks at a certain part, all you gotta do is make a new scene for the section you don't want eye contact applied on and toggle off the effect. So now it stays on for the rest of the video except that specific scene. So as you can imagine, eye contact makes it so much easier to record scripted content or presentations or pretty much anything where you have to look directly at the camera. And it also drastically cuts down shooting and editing times because now you don't have to worry about messing up or forgetting a line all the time. And less takes means an easier time for everybody. So go and give it a try. And I don't know why I'm still talking because I'm sure you've already left to go do that. So I guess I'll just leave. Okay, bye guys.